And the pandemic winners are Best Original COVID Treatment, ivermectin.
More people are becoming sick and then trying to use the horse deworming medication, ivermectin, as an at-home COVID-19 treatment.
Best Historical Adaptation, Marjorie Taylor Greene, Nazi Germany.
You know, we can look back in a time in history where people were told to wear a gold star, and they were definitely treated like second-class citizens, so much so that they were put in trains and taken to gas chambers in Nazi Germany. And this is exactly the type of abuse that Nancy Pelosi is talking about.
Best COVID Supporting Governor, Ron DeSantis.
Florida Governor Ron DeSantis is threatening to impose some heavy fines on counties and cities that attempt to require their employees to be vaccinated.
If a government agency in the state of Florida forces a vaccine as a condition to employment, that violates Florida law.
Best vaccine incentive that's not it saves your life. Washington, Joints for Jabs.
Washington state dispensaries offering Joints for Jabs, legal marijuana to inoculated adults.
Outstanding dramatic performance by a concerned citizen. Hail Fauci.
I will be asked, how many vaccines have you had? Have you been a good little Nazi? Hail Fauci! Hail Fauci! Hail Fauci!
Outstanding achievement in scapegoating. Tucker Carlson, Dr. Fauci.
More than any other single living American, Tony Fauci is responsible for the COVID-19 pandemic.
Best supporting disaster in a pandemic. Wildfires.
More than 53,000 people have been evacuated from their homes in California due to the Caldor fire. It's consumed more than 82,000 hectares. That's 204,000 acres of land.
The Donald J. Trump It's Like the Flu Award for Worst COVID Prediction. Senator Ted Cruz.
If it ends up that Biden wins in November, I guarantee you the week after the election, suddenly all those Democratic governors, all those Democratic mayors will say, everything's magically better. Go back to work, go back to school. Suddenly the problems are solved.
Best Mile High Meltdown. You guys f***ing suck.
You guys f***ing suck. My parents are worth $4 million goddamn dollars. You see